toothpaste for your acne? Well, are you applying toothpaste for your acne? Well, if you are doing so, you should better avoid. Toothpaste has been there for many years, and people have tried it applying on their acne, and at times they get results. Well, in the past, toothpaste used to contain a chemical known as triclosan, which, because of its antibacterial properties and anti-inflammatory properties, used to work on acne. But toothpaste also contains baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. All these chemicals, while the triclosan is not there anymore in most of the toothpaste, can cause irritation and leave hyperpigmented marks also. When you have many medicines that are available to treat your acne, why will you trust your toothpaste? So better avoid and take care of your acne in the most scientific manner so that it doesn't leave any marks, scars, or any spots on the acne that heals after you have applied any creams. Bye-bye.